Hey everyone, Eric with SpeeDetail here, and today you're going to learn how to wash, clay bar, wax, and dry your vehicle all in one step. First thing you're going to need here is a 5-gallon bucket. Second, we recommend a grit guard. What this does is it goes in the bottom of your bucket and traps all of the dirt and contaminants that come off of your wash mitt. It traps them down underneath that guard and keeps the rest of your water clean. Second, you're going to need 2 gallons of water. Going to put a little bit of car soap in there. We don't need a lot. We use 1 ounce for 2 gallons. Next, what we like to use instead of the actual clay bar, clay towel. We throw that in there, get that wet, make sure it's not dry and tacky before it touches the paint. Next, wash mitt. Doesn't matter what kind, microfiber, brand name doesn't matter. Any wash mitt will work. So once you have your supplies, take your bucket, your wash mitt, you want to wring it out to where it's barely dripping. Go straight to the paint. And we're not going to do this on vehicles that are caked in dirt. This is for a well-maintained vehicle, especially ceramic coated vehicles. This works excellent on. And with coated vehicles, you won't need the wax step. All right, so once you washed your surface, I'm going to take our spray wax here. 1 spray per section. And we're actually going to use that wax as our clay lubricant for our clay mitt, or if you choose to use the clay bar. So we take our clay towel, gently side to side. And what this does is pulls up any contaminants that our basic wash doesn't pull out of the paint. All right. After that, drying towel. There, 1 section of a truck washed in 30 seconds. Easy peasy.